Yo, I was on TikTok scrolling up and down and randomly running into some fellow Senegalese who speak the language. I'd be like, yo, I literally need to put these niggas on the screen to show them to my subscribers. And from there, they can see what these niggas got going on. Let me run this shit to you, and y'all see yourself.
That shit get annoying, bro. Stop asking me for grub. I be in the shower, sometimes niggas call me, yo, Chippy, you got grub? I'm like, yo, bro, I'm in the shower. You bugging out, bro. I'm in the shower, bro. You asking me for grub. Chill out.
So basically, someone commented on my last video, and he was talking about some, he don't speak English, blah, 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 blah. He just saying words, blah, blah, blah. Basically, he said, I talk like a hood nigga. You feel what I'm saying? He's saying that just because I use slang, stuff like that. That's why I don't really fuck with the French community sometimes. Because you always need to prove something. They be hating on you instead of supporting you. It's just weird. But look though, by the way, if you're not from France, I'm gonna tell you something. In France, some people hate on you when you got a good English level. Yeah, it's weird. I know it's weird. I'm not even a full English bilingual. I'm not. I know he's not the only one who think this. But look, first of all, English is not even my first language. To be honest, I'm very proud of my English level. I'm proud of myself. And at the end of the day, I'm just like you. I'm still learning new things. I'm still trying to improve my English. But I'm not going to hate because you speak English and I don't. Never. Second of all, French is not even my first language. I learned it and now I speak French. And it's going to be the same with the English. It's just part of life. You got to learn. If you ain't got no haters, then you ain't doing something right. We out.
Hello, Maji.
Hello.
Nembe.
Izumi.
You bother the price.
Alright, so as you already know, this is my outfit of the day.
Yeah.
Yeah, it could be. It's like 25k, 25 000.
25 000.
Yeah, we got this. Yeah, type shit. This, I know.
Yeah.
Like, I can't lie, bro. 2,000 Devin franc. Yeah.
Okay.
This 25k, 25 000.
25 000.
Same thing. Yeah. This 50k, 50 000.
50 000.
Yeah.
Maybe, huh?
Yeah. This one's for 35, 35 000.
35 000.
We got this one for 55, 55 000.
55 000.
Yeah. We got the watch, Rolex type shit. You know what I'm saying? It's like. Got this shit for like 40k, 40 000.
Your phone?
It's fake, my phone, bro. Yeah. This shit, it's like mad expensive, 912 000.
Yeah. Oh my God. Donc en tout, là, tu touches environ les 1 million et quelques.
Ah ouais?
Non, c'est qu'est-ce que tu travailles?
Me, bro?
Yeah.
It's kind of some illegal shit, bro.
You are a businessman?
Yeah, type shit, entrepreneur shit.
Yeah.
You know, DNB and shit. Yeah, I be making money, bro. Like, fuck love, bro. Don't follow these hoes, nigga.
Fuck love.
Yeah, keep like, grinding, bro.
Yeah, I got you. Like, dans ton compte Instagram, comme ça, les gens vont partir follow, check it.
It's like, this is my PHVLUXX2. It's like Falou, but written in a different way. PHVLU2X2.
No,
yeah, follow my Instagram, hit me up type shit. If you want to see some guy shit, bro, y'all missing out on my shit.
This is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all.